Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. So, since Sunday that BoomLive updated their app, a lot of people have been finding it so difficult to do their face authentication, and it has been telling them level insufficient if they want to do their face authentication because BoomLive added a new policy to their app, which many people have been running helter-skelter to find the solution to it. Finally, the solution is here now. So after your sign up and registration, all you need to do is just to come to your profile here. So BoomLive say that before you can live stream, do your face authentication. So before doing that face authentication, as a female host, you must reach at level 5. As a male host, you must reach at level 10. So if you're a male host and you have not verified your face before and they stop you, once you are in level 5, find a female host that will do the face authentication for you. But if you have already done that before and they say that your level is insufficient, you should level up. Please try your best to do these things I'm about to show you now so that you will level up to 10 and start live streaming again. So without more, so let's move to the game. Tap your profile. Once you tap your profile to take you to this side, then you go to my growth. This is where the issue is. BoomLive wants you to complete your newcomer task. Yes, this newcomer task is what will take you to level 5 if you are a female host. As you can see here, there are so many things written here. If you check my own now, I am on level 6. For me to reach level 7 now, I have to reach 800 ESP. I am in 651 ESP. So what are the requirements for you to reach this level 5? First thing, first time enter the live room, you will get 10 ESP. Send a message in the live room. First time sharing of the live room. First time following the host. First time sending gift free or Bitcoin gift. Recharge once, send a speaking request. So once you finish registering and doing everything, for you to do these things now, they are expecting you to do. All you need is just to come to your wall here. First time entering a live, you tap, you have entered a live stream. You have entered pressure, pressure. You have entered a live stream now. So once you do that, you comment. You comment on that person's live stream. If it is audio, you tap one of the people here. Once you enter here, you have sorry guys, music. You have entered a live stream. So once you enter a live stream, they expect you to wait, let me off the sound. Sound off. So once you enter a live stream like this, they expect you to request a mic. You just tap here. You have speaking request sent. Please wait for the host approval. So you are waiting here now. Have you seen your hand? They mark it bad because they have not accepted it. So once you are here now, there is a place they said write up to 10 comments in a live stream. You can say hello guys. You understand? Just be commenting and anything you like till you get up to 10 comments. You have entered the live stream now. You have commented here now. And to share the live stream, you tap this here now. You share to your WhatsApp status. You share to your WhatsApp status. Bam. You have shared the live stream. If you want to exit, you tap here. You tap here. You minimize, maybe to go and do another thing in the app, or you exit. You exit. You have exited from here. So just be doing all those things and come back to check the ones that have tick. They expect you to do these things. This as I enter live stream now, it's finished. You send message in the live, you is finished. You share the live stream, it's finished. You follow the host. Yes, as we enter live stream, you follow host. So first time sending gifts free or buy coin gifts. This one now, you need to buy coin. Yes, for you to do it, you need to buy coin. So the coin is very cheap. I have a coin seller that sell. Even if you want 500 naira only if you're living in Nigeria, or 1,000 she'll sell to you, okay, and you, so that you can gift yourself or give someone and meet this one. The recharge ones, this one now is to recharge in the app. I've not recharged in the app, but their cheapest coin is 49 $0.49, that is 800 naira. Okay, so why I don't have any problem with it, because I have completed other ones, so this one now is not a problem to me again. Send a speaking request. I've done that. I've showed you how to send a speaking request when you're in a live room. So as you are completing this one now, newcomer, you also come to regular tasks. This one now is daily. I've not done my task today. That is why you are seeing everything is showing you go, go, go. You understand? I've not done my task today because they said send 10 messages in the live room, take the mic for 5 minutes, stay in the live room for 10 minutes, share the live room once, send a gift, free gift. Have you seen it? So I've not done this one today. That is why you are seeing it like this. And definitely before the day runs out today, I will also do it. So once you are doing it, just be checking this ESP here. It will be increasing. So once you are done doing all those things, you understand, your level will increase. The level will increase sharp, sharp. Okay. So if you want to go live on your own, they will not allow you to go live with video. You can go live on audio. You understand? You can go to audio, you tap go live, you go to your panel like this now. Yes, live. You go to your panel like this now. I've not done my task today. So you go to your panel like this. Once you go to your once you go to your panel like this, so if you want to gift yourself, you tap on this gift box. Have you seen? We have, so popular is for gift. So you have as small as this. That's why I say you need to buy coins so that you can gift yourself. This is how to gift yourself. You tap rose, send. Okay. They say I should select. I'll select. So if people are here now, many people are here now. If it will be in all, you cancel it. You cancel all and tap on the profile you want to send the gift to. Only if it is only you or to other people, you just tap the profile. Is the profile picture of the person you want to send gift to? All right, that's how to send gift. If you come in a panel like this, okay. So let me send the gift. I have sent it. Have you seen it? This is how to send a gift to yourself or to someone. All right. It's very easy and simple. Okay. So please, this is the things they require you to do in your live stream. Share your life. Share it to your WhatsApp status. Okay. Share it to your WhatsApp status. You have shared your life. So once you do all these things, make sure that your life host, at least you make your life host to be at level 2. Yes, try your best to make sure that your life host is at level 2. Level 2. Okay. This one now, my this thing now is at level 6, 7. I'm going to level 7. So try to make sure that your this my growth is on level 5. Or after doing all these things now I showed you, definitely it will go to level 5. Okay. Once it goes to level 5, then you make sure that this host growth also, at least, yes, you make sure that it will also go to level 2. Okay. Make sure as you're increasing your my growth, also make sure that you're increasing your host growth. Okay. So once you finish that, you will come back and go live. That you just come back here to go live. Once you tap it, then you tap video. Yes, once you tap video like this now, you beautify it if you want. Okay. So this face authentication now, you tap it. Once you tap it now, it will tell you to authenticate. Okay. My own, I've already done that now. So once you view, you say authentication success. Before it was only picture that they will ask you to do. But after their maintenance since Sunday, they changed everything. You will now put your picture and also do your normal face authentication. That's showing your normal face. Okay. So you first of all put your picture. After putting your picture, then they will tell you to put your real face so that they will know that yes, you are truly a human being. Okay. You're not trying to trick them. So after that, then you go live like this. Okay. Your this thing will be okay. You go live. Okay. So this is the solution to it. Mail host, you reach to level 10. Okay, so try your best and buy coin. Okay, if I will, I'll be leaving the coin group. I'll be leaving the coin group at the description box of this video. Okay, so that you can join the coin group seller and purchase coin from there for you to be able to gift yourself and also gift people so that your life can be open. All right. So that's all for now. It's very, very easy and simple for you to do. Okay. So try your best to make sure that you do this. So for you to increase your host growth, all you need to do is just to tap here. Once you tap here, you will see level tasks. Yes, you see level tasks. So you come here, you see all these things. First time going live, first time adding music. Yes, as I showed you, you can go live using audio. So this is it. First time adding music in your live streaming. First time editing the announcement board. I've not done this one. First time sharing your own live stream. I've shown you how to do live stream. First time sending a message in the chat room. So once you go live, make sure that you write something. Hello guys, all those things. You understand? As I showed you how to write when you enter somebody's live. First time inviting a user to speak on the mic. So if you can see, if you open your panel now, it will be locked. So when people are entering, if you want them to enter, you just go to your audience and invite. You understand? First time giving gifts, free plus paid. First time sending a treasure chest. I have also done that. Then daily tasks. These ones are daily tasks. These ones are level tasks. Okay, so I've not done my tasks today. That's why some of them is not completed this side now. So make sure as you're leveling your my growth, also level host growth. Okay, it's very, very important. So that's it. Okay, that's why it's very important to buy coins. So because if you want to do that treasure chest, if you go live like this now, let me show you how to do that treasure chest. If you enter your room, you tap gift, you see treasure chest. This is it. So this amount here now, you can edit it to 100. You can put 100 coins here. You understand? Then come here. How many people do you want it to receive it? Maybe like 50 people. You want them to receive it. Additional setting, you put it to my followers. Then do you just want to do you want them to take the Bitcoin without any condition? You leave it there. If you want condition, you can say stay in my live room for 10 minutes, share my live stream, or favorite the song playing in the background. Yes. So anyone you want, after that you pay and it will pop up in your screen. So this is how to play music. This icon here, you tap it, you just select song, add songs. These are songs. You select the type you want and add in your room. So before you do this, you just bring out like 5 to 10 minutes. Before 5 to 10 minutes, you perform all these things. Try and go live. You'll see that they will not tell you face authentication issue again or leveling up because you have leveled up. As you're leveling up, you'll be seeing in the message will be coming. Congratulations, you have leveled to this. You have leveled to, if it is 2, they'll tell you 4 units. You have gone to level 5 and you can start live streaming. So once you're performing all those tasks, you just come to your profile, tap my growth, you come here, you see your level here. Okay, you see your level here at your profile picture. My own is now level 6. Once you see level 5 here, after doing all those things, you come back to my growth. Once you see level 6, know that sorry, once you see level 5, everything is perfect. You go back to live stream and type live, tap video, and do your face authentication. All right. If you do this, your authentication will go. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to share this video, like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notifications so that whenever I make a video upload, you'll be among the people that will see it. This video is very, very important. A lot of people are facing this face authentication issue and they don't know what to do. So I've shown you what to do now. Please go and implement all those things that I told you now. Okay, and it will start working for you. Thank you guys and remain blessed. Bye.